Life, the sacred presence that separates our Earth from countless dormant planets and silent worlds. How beautiful it is, yet how impossibly complex to understand. Often, we simply pause and stare, lost in wonder. Even today, science cannot fully explain many aspects of life. From everyday observation, it feels as though life is always around us, waiting almost eagerly to express or reveal itself the moment conditions allow. Take a seed, for example, a grain lying idle. We see no movement, no expression, but the moment the right conditions like soil, water, proper temperature are provided, it immediately begins its dance. It grows into a tiny sapling, then a plant, and eventually into a huge tree if that's its nature. So, where is life actually present? Is it inside the seed itself? Or does the seed only carry the biological capacity to hold life? One thing about life that fascinates me a lot is its incredible ability to break and rebuild itself. A performance known as fragmentation or regeneration. Certain animals can regrow whole individuals from just a piece of their body. This process is called fragmentation, a form of asexual reproduction, or more broadly, regeneration. Planarian flatworms are famous for their extreme regeneration. Cut one planarian flatworm into pieces, and each piece can grow into a complete worm because of their special stem cells called neoblasts. There are several creatures which can regenerate from small fragments: hydra, sea stars, sponges, sea anemones, etc. Plants also show remarkable regenerative power. If you cut a branch, leaf, or stem and plant it in suitable soil, it can grow into an entirely new individual. This is called vegetative propagation. Many plants naturally do this through stems, roots, or leaves because their cells can de-differentiate, divide, and form new tissues. This ability allows plants to clone themselves, spread, and survive even when parts are damaged. But how far can this actually go? Not all animals can do this. Complex vertebrates like mammals, birds generally can't regrow whole bodies. Some animals like salamanders can regrow limbs. Lizards regrow tails but not whole bodies. And cutting an earthworm doesn't reliably produce two earthworms. Often only the headpiece survives and regrows. Just look at this phenomenon. A single being, starting as one, becomes many. Each fragment grows into its own individual being. From a biological perspective, when an organism fragments into two individuals, two independent bodies form, each capable of living on its own. Each new body has its own metabolism, behavior, reception of senses, etc. From a biology only standpoint, each becomes a separate organism, a separate unit of life. Biology doesn't deal with souls, but it does show that consciousness, when present, depends on physical structures like nervous systems. For organisms without a nervous system, like plants, sponges, hydra, biology says they don't have neural consciousness, though they do have complex responses and signaling. Now, a deeper question arises. What is the soul? And how is it present in us? and in all living beings around us. When fragmentation or regeneration occurs, what actually happens to the soul? Does one soul split into many? Do new souls enter and take up the newly formed bodies? And what about karma? Does the original individual's accumulated karma divide among the regenerated beings? Or does each one begin with its own karmic stream? Biology doesn't deal with souls. So, to understand the nature of the soul, we have to step into the realm of spirituality. It is only through spiritual perspectives that we can explore what the soul is. From a spiritual perspective, different traditions interpret soul in different ways. Here are the most popular views that can talk about the identity problem we just came across. We will talk about them individually in our future videos. Before that, I would love to hear from you. Please leave your views and comments below. Also, share with your friends. And if this video stirred some curiosity in you, hit that like button too.